Hi to everyone who's on my channel, welcome. First of all, before I've started, I wanted to say that this is binary option tutorial videos. If you visit my channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribed. Please do it if you did not yet. And let's roll today. I want to show you how the binary option platform is working and how to make money on it. First of all, yeah, before I've started, I've lost $100. Cool, nice, and everything is great. I will show you how to deal with those stuff if you have lost. Right. First of all, you need to choose the most profitable asset to trade on. Like for now, it's 86%, and it's okay for me. 86%. So to understand what's happening in general, you need to scroll out. Just scroll out a little bit to see what's going on. And there's just two buttons as usual, higher and lower. Okay, cancelled my previous bet. It's too bad, but okay. Higher and lower, call or put. That's it. And considering this, all right, I didn't cancel it. For example, like that. Why I'm doing this? Why am I changing the amount of my bet? Because in case if I will win the next bet, I will get back my money that I've spent to previous bets, and will make a profit. Okay, so this is called martingale system. You can Google it if you want, but the point is the binary option is very useful and very simple tool to make money on the internet. Even if you have losses like me right now, couple losses, but the price is going up and down, all you need to do is to predict the right direction of movement of the price. All right, let's roll like that. To understand which way the graph will go, which way the price will go, you need to check all those sharp movements. You see, for now it's near about side move. Okay, I have enough money to spend, so I believe that the price will go up, and right now I have $1,500 amount of my bet, and I will gain $1,000, almost $300 in 10 seconds if nothing is going to change. The price is going up. This was my prediction, so I pressed the call button, and that means that I made money right now. This is nevertheless, I have, for now I have 3 wrong bets. I have 3 losses, okay, but I already made a profit. If you won your next bet after the loss, you need to get back to your previous amount of bet. In that case, I like to trade step by step. I don't like to be in rush or make decisions which are like bad for me and for my budget. Okay, it's better to make money step by step than just spend everything and that's it. So first of all, you need to be careful, you need to be wise, and you need to get your own practice. This is the key for understanding the whole picture. Okay. In general, for now, the trend is upgoing, but right now it can be the bottom. So I make prediction up going. I believe that price will go up, will be a little bit higher than right now. In the next videos, I will try to show you the basics of the technical analysis. Just in this video, this short video, just to show you how you can make money on binary option fast. And I know that nobody likes to watch videos like for hours. So this was a short video, and in right about 5 minutes or 6 minutes, we've made a couple $100, and this is not bad result. So if you want to try it, you can find all the useful links in the description panel of this video, and wish you good luck. Make a practice. Don't try to invest more money than you can afford to lose. First of all, get your own experience on the practice account. The links you also can find in the description. See you in the next video. Bye. Wish you great profits. Wish you good luck. See ya.